In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to surface only the tasks that matter right now without changing anything for your teammates or altering the project itself. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to the project that contains the tasks you want to work with. You can get there from the sidebar or by using search, whatever's quickest for you. Once you're in the project and looking at the task list, you'll see a bar across the top. On that bar, look for the filter option. Click it to open the filter menu. This menu is where you control what appears in the list. You can filter by Asana to show tasks assigned to you, to a teammate, or to anyone specific. This is perfect when you want a clean view of your own workload, or when you're preparing for a quick check-in with someone else. You can filter by due date to focus on what's urgent, like tasks due today, this week, or within a custom date range if you're planning ahead. You can also filter by tags if your team uses tags to mark priorities, categories, or work streams. And status helps you zero in on completed or incomplete items, depending on whether you want to review progress or see what's still open. You're not limited to just one filter. Combine them to refine your view. For example, Asana set to yourself with due date set to this week is a great way to build a focused weekly plan. As you make your selections, the task list updates automatically. If you don't see anything appear, your criteria might be too narrow. Try removing one filter or broadening the date range. If you see too much, add one more filter or tighten the range to get back to a manageable list. A quick tip: filtering doesn't move, delete, or change tasks. It simply changes what you see on your screen. That means it's safe to experiment until the list feels just right. Also, if your team uses consistent tags or statuses, align your filters with those conventions to get more accurate results. When you're finished and want to see everything again, click Clear Filter at the top of the task list. That instantly returns you to the full project view, so you're never stuck in a filtered view by accident. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.